Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make account on Fiverr for beginners. Start by opening the official website of Fiverr on your browser. When the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on the button that says Join Now. You will now see different sign-up options. You can continue using Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you want to use your email, click on Email and enter your address. After that, verify your email to continue. Next, you will be asked whether you want to join as a client or a freelancer. Choose freelancer if you want to sell services. After selecting freelancer, you may get an option to connect your LinkedIn account. This is recommended because it automatically adds your experience. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, you can enter your details manually. Add your name, profile picture, title, description, skills, and experience, then continue. Now you will create your first gig. Enter a clear gig title, choose a category, and add relevant keywords. Click Next. After that, set your pricing. Create 3 packages called Basic, Standard, and Premium. Add prices, delivery time, and describe what you will offer in each package. You can also add extra services if you want. Continue to the next step and write a detailed description of your service. Then add questions for your clients, such as delivery preferences or specific requirements. After that, upload images, videos, or PDFs that show your work. Finally, click Next and verify your account using your phone number. You may also need to provide documents if required. Your account is now ready. Thanks for watching.